Girish. In this video, I am going to share my experience and learning in installing motion activated stair lightings. In my last video, I shared my experience in replacing carpet stairs to hardwood stair. This LED light addition was planned after installing hardwood stairs. My intention in this video is to help you with my learnings for the individuals who are carrying out similar projects.
The very first step is to plan for the controller placement. I planned to place it on the second floor closet, which is next to the stairs. The second step is to plan for the cables running from LED lights to the controller. I have 15 stairs. Skirt board top has got sufficient space to run 15 cables. The next step is to prepare for the skirt board to house the cables. To run the cable, which has got connector at the end, it needs a 5 by 16 inch hole. I used 1 by 8 inch drill bit first, then 1 by 4 inch drill bit, finally 5 by 16 inch drill bit. The requirement is to drill two holes, one from the side of the skirt board and another from top of the skirt board. Both should meet exactly to pull the cables easily. This requires accurate measurement and little extra care while drilling. Again, both holes match accurately to run the cables through the hole easily. Here is the test. Repeat drilling the holes on the skirt board near each stairs. To run the cables through the skirt board, I used a wire, a thread and a painter's tape. Run the wire through the hole first, tie the thread to the wire and tie the other end of the thread to the cable connector and cover it with the painter's tape. It was easy to pull the cable through the connector end with a 5/16 inch hole. Repeat these steps on 15 stairs to get the cable running through the holes. Apply painter's tape at the ends so the cable will not slip through the hole. LED strip has got 40 inch long. I have cut the LED light to suit my stair length. There is an instruction in the kit where to cut the LED for proper functioning. The LED has got 3M adhesive with it. It is easy to install. I have attached numbered stickers to both ends of the wire. These stickers are supplied with this kit. This numbering will help to connect each LED lights to the controller accurately. Now connecting wires to the controller. It's very much required to properly manage the wires since there are 15 wires. I used a box to house all the wires and each ends are labeled with a numbered sticker that made this connection very easy. With that, LED installation is complete. I covered the cables and the skirt board with corner trim. I bought Comigan Intelligent Motion Sensor LED Stair Lighting Kit. This kit supplies all the necessary parts required. Each LED lights are 40-inch long and my stairs are 37-inch, so I cut the LED lights to suit my stair length. LED light extension cord to connect LEDs to the controller are with sufficient length. Each LED light's ends are having connectors to connect to the cable. These connectors made the installation so convenient.
Alright, this LED lights adds beauty to my hardwood stairs. There is an option to change the speed of the LED lights and pattern. Hope you like this video and get some information out of it. Thanks for watching. Thank you.